Hello, welcome back to MathPro by Bloom Academy. So we are going to do this is the next video following the previous one, and so we've done letters in algebra and like terms. In this video, we are going to work on writing expressions. Okay, so the first question is Kwame is 10 years old. Find his age after 4 years, 7 years, and X years. Okay, so after 4 years will be 10 plus 4. After 7 years will be 10 plus 7, 17. And after X years, it will be 10 plus X years. 10 plus, we don't know what that X is. So this is called an algebraic expression. It's an expression because we don't know what the x is. So depending on what the x value is, what we are told, we can find the value. We can be told x equals 10, x equals 20, or whatever number, and then we can put it in here. So until we know that x value is an expression. So here's your turn. Okay, so just do this first and check the answers. Here are the answers. Okay, here's another one. The width of a rectangle is 5 centimeters shorter than half its length. Find the width of the rectangle when the length is A, 30 centimeters, B, 42, and C, Y centimeters. Okay, let's do this one. First, we're going to draw a picture of it. Okay, here's a length. This is a rectangle, length, width. And we are told the width is what? 6 centimeters less than half. Okay, that means 1/2 L minus 6, where L is the length and W is the width. See that? Cool? Okay. So now, what if we say if the length is 30, we come and plug in 30 here. 1/2 L means 1/2 times 30. We simplify and we get 15 minus 6, 9 centimeters. And if L is 42, again, it's 1/2. L means 1/2 times 42. We simplify and W equals 15. What if it's Y centimeters? So in place of a number, we put Y. So 1/2 times Y is the same as Y divided by 2. Okay. So now, in place of a number, because we don't know what y is, we write y over 2 minus 6. So y can be 30, y can be 42, y can be 60, y can be any number. We don't know. So we call this what? Algebraic expression. So when it's y, this is what we write. Okay, just leave it like that. So this is your turn. We have employee salary is 300 less than 1/3 of a manager's salary. Find employee salary when the manager's salary is 4,800, 7,200, and K dollars. This is a dollar sign over here. Okay, so you do this first and then come out and check the answers. Okay, come and check the answers. Come and check the answers. Okay, one is K, 1/3. K means K over 3. We don't know K yet, so we just leave it like this. This is an algebraic expression. Let's do another one. The price of a papaya is $3 and the price of an avocado is $1. Find the total price of 3 papayas and 6 avocados and X papayas and Y avocados. How do we do that? 3 papayas. The price of 1 papaya is what? $3. So 3 of them with 3 times 3, $9. Price of 6 avocados is $1 times 6. We add the 2, total price is 15. So the price of X papayas, so this X here, different from this X. This is the multiplication sign. This is X. So don't confuse the two. And as you move up in math and into algebra, we will stop writing the multiplication sign. Okay, so just pay attention. So price of X papayas will be the dollar, $3 times X amount. This is the amount. Price of Y avocados will be $1 times the amount. So the total price is 3 times X plus 1 times Y. 1 times Y. Remember, 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times Y equals Y. So we don't write 1Y, okay? So 3 times X is written 3X in algebra, plus 1 times Y is Y. So this is the total price, and this is also what? An expression, okay? So when Y equals 3, X equals 3, and Y equals 4, then we can figure it out, okay? All right, your turn. The price of a cup is $2 and the price of a plate is $11. Find the total price of 5 cups and 3 plates, P cups and Q plates. Okay, how do you answer that? That's the first one is 43. Sorry, I forgot to answer the second part. Here, 5 cups and 3 plates. So 5 cups is 2 times, I'm sorry, P cups is 2 times P plus P plates is 11 times P. 11 times P. So that is your answer. 2P plus 11. Now let's move on to perhaps a little more advanced. Not that difficult, but okay. Express the following word statements algebraically. Okay, so the quotient of X and Y. How do you write that? Let's just say subtract K from the quotient of X and Y. How do you write the quotient? Quotient is what? Division. Quotient of X and Y is X over Y. So the required expression is K from the quotient, so X over Y minus K. Can you do this? Multiply the sum of A and B by C. Okay, try that first and come and watch the video. Multiply the sum. So first write the sum, A plus B, and then you multiply by C. Use parentheses, okay? And we have another one called add the product of X and Y to the square of Z. Let me do that one. The product of X and Y. Product means what? Multiplication. So XY. So instead of writing X times Y, say we're moving away from that. We just write XY. So when you see that, that means it's multiplication. So and the required expression will be the product plus the square of Z. So XY plus Z squared or Z squared plus XY. It's the same thing. Your turn. Subtract the quotient of C and D. The quotient of these two kind of follow the English, okay? For the quotient of C and D from the cube of K. Subtract this from that. Okay, remember what we did over here? Subtract K from. So K should come second in the expression. So how do you write that? Did you get it right? Did you try it and get it right? Here should be the answer. Subtract the quotient from, this is the quotient, is coming from the cube of K. All right, are the expressions in each question the same? D plus 2 and 2 plus D is the same, right? 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. Are they the same? So your answer to this part here is yes. What about 2D, which means 2 times D, D plus D, and D plus 2. 2D is twice D. So A and B are the same, but D plus 2 is not the same as D times 2. It's different, right? So 2 plus 4 is not the same as 2 times 4. These are not the same, right? 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 2 So 2 plus 4 is the same as 2 times 4. Let me see. 2 times 4 is the same as 4 plus 4, but it's not the same as 4 plus 2. Cool. All right. What about d over 2 and 1 half d? So you see 1 half times d is equal to 1 times d over 2, which is d over 2. So they are the same. And then finally, write each phrase into an equivalent algebraic expression. Okay, try this first and then come and check out the answers. Okay, so do not look, try them first. The quotient of a number n negative 4, 6 less than 7 times a number. How is this different from 6 less 7 times a number? Less than and less, there is no than over here. 7 times a number less than 6, and 7 times a number less 6. So pay attention to the than and the less. Twice the sum of 5 and a number. Okay, and then we move on. The number of days in 8 weeks. Okay. Sum of consecutive integers. Consecutive integers like what? 2, 3, and 4. Sum of consecutive even integers, 2, 4, 6. These are even. Sum of consecutive odd integers, 3, 5, 7. See that? What are your answers? So write these first, come back and check your answers. Here we go. So the first one is the quotient of x and negative 4. X goes on the top. Okay, 7 times 6 less than. 6 comes second. So 7x minus 6. But 6 less, 7 times the number is 6 minus 7x. So 6 less 2 means 6 minus 2. Cool. All right. So here are your answers. Check it out. 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 Check out all your answers. Sum of consecutive integers. All right. Okay, so here we have 7 days in 1 week. So number of days in each week should be 7 times h. Here are your answers. All right. Keep on practicing. And okay, I'll send you your IXL exercises. Keep on working hard. And all things being equal, you shall what? Bloom. Welcome to Bloom Academy. Have a good day. Bye-bye.